So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the differences between natural turquoise, stabilized turquoise, and not turquoise at all. And hopefully save you some money by not buying the fake stuff or the wrong stuff. Alright, so let's start with the fake or wrong. This looks like turquoise, but this is actually dyed halite. And I bought this on accident because I was buying different bits of turquoise for making inlay rings, and I wanted all the different sizes. And when I ordered this, I didn't read the one word in the long description on Amazon that says that this is halite. So I have a bunch of halite that is dyed in a turquoise color. So to tell that this is fake turquoise, just take a piece of it. And with that piece, I'm going to put this little piece of cardboard around it and smash with a hammer. So, as you can see, it is white on the inside. That's because halite is a white stone, and turquoise should be turquoise all the way through. So, this is just halite that has a dye on it. And now I have no idea what to do with all this, but I have a bunch of it. Okay, so moving on to the stabilized and one that I think is just not real whatsoever. So this is the one that is stabilized. And what that means is basically this is low quality turquoise that they fill with different type of resins and cook it basically, and it brings out its colors better and hardens it up because usually it's softer than like chalk. And you can see all the different matrices inside of it go all the way through, and you can see the outside. But yeah, for sure this is stabilized, seeing how low cost this was to get, but I'm only using this for inlays. And because inlays require you to basically add this to glue, I don't think that really matters, especially if the colors aren't going to go away. So you're not ruining a big piece of turquoise by crushing it up and putting it into your inlay. So stabilized is fine for that if you want to crush it yourself. This stone, on the other hand, looks like it's a nice piece of turquoise, but when you break it open, it's completely blue all the way through with no matrix whatsoever inside of it, which is kind of weird. Also, as soon as I broke this in half, it has a really strong resin smell. So if you look at the two, so this one is the one that I know is a stabilized turquoise. This one I think might just be plastic. It feels completely different, smells different, texture-wise is different. It has the same weight almost. But I don't trust this one, so I wouldn't use this piece. I used to use it as a, basically for pictures. But I wanted to break it open to see, because I got complaints on even those pictures, saying that it's just dyed halite. Well, it's not dyed halite, it's not even turquoise, I don't think, so. I might still use it for pictures, depending, but I won't be using this in anything because I'm unsure what it is. Then we actually have the natural turquoise that I already got in a crushed form. So this is pretty straightforward. It's just pure turquoise that's crushed up already for me, and there's already a powder of it, and it's ready for doing inlays. I don't have any big pieces of full natural turquoise, but if I did, I would show you. So if you're looking for turquoise, just make sure that it doesn't say halite. And if you are aware of it being stabilized, make sure you either tell the people that what you're making it out of, that it is stabilized, and explain to them what that means, so they know what they're buying. or you can use it for inlays because you're adding glue to it anyways, or resin. It's basically the same thing. You could use natural turquoise and you're basically going to be stabilizing it by making an inlay out of it. So it doesn't really matter, in my opinion, if you inlay with this. And then be very careful of getting plastic turquoise, which again, you can use this, but make sure you tell people that it is not even turquoise so they know what they're buying. So that's it. I wanted to make sure you knew what you're getting when you're buying these different materials and what to look out for, because this is pretty much unusable for me unless you can think of something that I can use it for. And if you can, leave it in the comments. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, or actually making rings or different pieces of jewelry, subscribe to my channel. I try to put out a video every week. I also have a Patreon that helps support my channel and helps me buy stuff like this or just different stuff for videos. So you can head over there if you want to. Well, that's about it, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.